Hi, I'm DJ from PuroClean of King of Prussia. You're probably here because you need restoration service due to a property damage, or perhaps you need one of our other services. We're here to help you as quickly and efficiently as possible. You came to the right place. We are the paramedics of property damage, thoroughly screened, fully insured, industry certified to remediate residential and commercial property damage. We are confident in what we do because we have proven track record and deliver outstanding customer service. We treat you like family with compassion and care while still being professional. Please call us at 610-595-5777 for help anytime, day or night, 24/7 to restore and secure your property. Thank you.